Peter Webb from Ahmedabad, Gujarat. I am excited to introduce my new book, Find Your Perfect Life Partner, 51 Psychological Tips for Long-Lasting Love. I joined the Author Freedom Hub and Publithon communities in 2022. It has been a transformative journey. I received great hand-holding support and direction for the last 3 years. I published 15 books because of this invaluable support and guidance. I am deeply grateful to Sombatla sir for creating this amazing platform for aspiring authors. As a gift for my 25th wedding anniversary, I wrote this book for anyone searching for the right partner. Marriage is just the beginning. Maintaining the love and harmony is crucial for the lasting relationship. In this book, I have introduced 51 psychological tips to help you build a joyful and lasting relationship. This book is my everlasting gift to you. Everyone deserves a happy and fulfilling married life. If you feel that you delayed getting this book, no worries. Apply the 51 psychological tips and see the magical changes in your relationship. Good news is that it will work on every strained relationship. Don't wait. Click the link below and get your copy today and start your beginning towards a loving and long-lasting relationship journey.